For the right vehicle, check out the 2020 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.